Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, your crafty DIY guy, and I am back with part 2 of my Pride Edition videos for the month of June. As a reminder, all of the ad sales revenue proceeds for this video and the other video are going to the Matthew Shepard Foundation. If you're not familiar with the Matthew Shepard Foundation, check them out. I've included the link in the description box below. And again, I hope you enjoy these projects. They're very fluid, very traditional, very easy to mix and match and make them your own. All right, guys, thank you. And for this next project, I am going to be using one of these Dollar Tree frames. This is that shadow box frame that they sell. This one happens to have a saying on the front that I absolutely love. So I'm going to keep this. It's a house full of love. Any of these shadow box frames will work. And then I picked up this sequin fabric from my local Walmart in the crafting section. And the thing I loved about this most is that it's obviously all of the colors of the rainbow, but it's also super flexible and very easy to work with. So then I went ahead and took the back of the picture frame off. It comes off just like any other picture frame would. You don't have to worry about glue or anything. It's actually really easy to do. I took a marker and just traced around the frame itself, and then took a pair of just sharp scissors and cut right through the sequin fabric. This is fabric, so it does go through here really easily, and those sequins are they're not really metal. So again, the scissors just glide right through this. I took my frame apart and spray painted the frame and the insert that comes with the frame in a bright purple color like so. And then I also took that sequin fabric and just glued it down to the back of that previous piece that you saw that had that kind of a wood grain texture. And I just used the Gorilla spray glue for this, and it was really easy to do. And then I assembled everything back together and just used a little bit of hot glue on the back of that picture frame to make it stay together. And this is what it looks like. Again, I absolutely love this. And in my house, we are filled with love. I hope that yours is as well. And for my next project, I'm going to use a set of these rainbow popsicle sticks that I picked up at Dollar Tree in the Crafter Square section. I did grab 3 packages of these, and I would say I used about 2.5 packages for this project. Then you're going to take each color and you're going to create several stacks of these popsicle sticks. And as you can see, I did all of them in red, and then I went back and literally repeated it for every single color. After everything was dried, then I glued the color combinations together. So all of the red, all of the purple, etc. in this formation. And then as each section was dry, I then glued it on top of the other, kind of creating a rainbow tower, if you will, of all of these blocks. And I did it in the opposite order. I then took a small wooden disc that I had that was left over from a previous project. I painted it black and then used my heat gun to dry it off a little bit and to speed up that process. And then I simply just glued that base onto the bottom of the tower. I then purchased one of these silver LED wire lights that run on some AA batteries from Dollar Tree. I just simply fed the wire through the side of the rainbow tower light and then just literally pulled that LED light string up through the top of it, and then just kind of worked it back in down through the rainbow tunnel light. That way, and this is what it looks like. I love this. It actually puts off a really good amount of light. This could easily be a night light for your child's room. Again, you could use any color popsicle sticks that you wanted for this. I think it's really cool. And for my last project, I'm going to grab one of these hearts from Dollar Tree's Crafter Square. I did go ahead and just spray paint mine in that chrome color that I used in a previous video. And then I grabbed these rainbow Dollar Tree ponytail beads. And again, I loved these beads. Super easy to work with. The only color that was missing in the rainbow that I wanted to create was the orange color. So I very easily just took some of the silver beads, added them to a skewer, and spray painted them a orange metallic paint like so. Anytime I'm going to be working with twine and beads, I always put a little bit of tape on the end of my beads. It definitely helps when you're kind of trying to string everything through. I'm going to add the string through the heart first, and then I'm going to bring the two ends together and then start stringing my beads. It's very, very easy to do this. And as you can see, I finished threading all of my beads onto my string. And then what I wanted to do was just simply tie a tassel to the end of this. I just go ahead and cut the end. I tie a little short knot in here. And then I just make a tassel. I'm sure all of you guys have made tassels before. Very, very easy to do. And I actually learned by watching another YouTuber do it. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. I love this. I think it's super cute. It's the perfect addition to my bookshelf. It's just a nice pop of color. You could use this as a bookmark. You could use this as a home decor piece or just an accent piece. Again, I think it's super cool, very, very fun, and a cool way to show your support and love for your friend.